Welcome home to 6416 Copperleaf Court, Holland, Michigan 49423. This is our front flex room. Nice big window, big closet. Can be used for a bedroom, office, den, hobby room. It gets lots of light. This is back towards the front door. Back around this way, and I'm standing in the foyer. Really spacious, very open foyer. It's hard to tell, but it's very wide. There's a lower level, very convenient. This is the entry from the garage. Has a big coat closet, a bench, an area for hanging things. There's the door to the garage. And then over here off the garage area is the half bath, which is really convenient, also for entertaining off of the living room area here. Nice 9-foot ceiling here, very impressive, beautiful windows. Tons of light comes through here from the south-facing exposure that it has. And then there's a 9-foot there for the dining area and kitchen. 9-foot ceilings, and then 10-foot ceilings here in the living room. And beautiful silent closed cabinetry, drawers and doors. Really trendy white. Really light and bright, cheerful. Window over the sink area. And this is a walk-in pantry. Custom shelving in there that will be painted white. Another shelving area over here, maybe for a coffee pot. And really nice pocket door there, so you can close that off, that walk-in pantry. And back to where the stove would be, and then the refrigerator. And then I'm walking the living room and then through there towards the master bedroom suite. This is the laundry here, laundry room. We'll have a hanging bar and a door to close that off. Then back around behind me is the master bedroom and bath, master suite. 2 big windows, nice high ceilings, really good size room. Impressive master bath here with double sinks, beautiful cabinetry. Hard to see in here right now, but we've got a walk-in shower that will be tiled there. It's going to be really nice walk-in shower, then the stool area, and then a really large walk-in closet with all custom wood cabinetry that'll be all white painted. Just beautiful. Plenty of room for everything in there. Backing up back towards the cabinets, beautiful wood cabinetry. Really nice. Gorgeous, great big master bedroom. And back again off towards the living area. Laundry room right next to the bedroom. How convenient. And back to the living area. I hope you have enjoyed this tour at Laketown Crossings. We have several condos under construction here. I'm sure we would have one to suit your needs, but I hope you'll choose to make this one your own at only $299.9. It is a very good value, very high quality. Thank you.